Hey guys, what's up? It's Lucas here from the Code Locker, and today I am really excited because, first of all, my school just let out for the year, so it's, I guess, my summer break, and that means I'm going to have a lot more time to be making videos now. And the second reason is that I just finished programming this game called Blastback in Java, and I'm going to be making a tutorial series on how to program it. Now, the first thing I want to say right away is that this video is going to be completely optional to this series. All I'm going to do is demonstrate the game, so I'm going to just, I guess, give a walkthrough. The reason I'm going to do this is because I guess as I'm, programming it, I think it would help to have sort of a vision of what the game is going to look like at the end. Let's see, so right away when you open up the game, you can see that it has, a menu, and there's, a title, there's buttons that light up or get bigger when you hover on them, and there's also some options. There is game sound. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but it is playing for me, and I think I'm going to turn it off just because I find it a little annoying. There's also an on-top feature for the menu, so if you have another window and then you select this window, as you can see, the game still stays on top, but if you deselect that and click out, then the other window can go on top. Let's see, there's also an update log, nothing in that yet though, because as you can see, this is version 1. There's also a credits loop, there is an about loop, there is a how to play thing. I'll do that later though. Let's see, there's also a quit game, which quits the game. So here, if you hit play game, I guess it launches the game obviously, you can see that the idea of this game is that you are this UFO right here, and pretty much the goal of the game is to kill these pink enemies. The twist to the game is that when you shoot, by clicking, you go flying off in the opposite direction from the recoil. That's why the game is called Blastback. Let's see, this is your health. Every time an enemy hits you, you lose a heart. This is your ammo. You shoot, you lose some, but it slowly regenerates. This is your money. You get money for killing stuff. This is your points. You get points for killing stuff. This is the amount of kills you have made in this level. So I've killed 0 out of the 1 monster. This is the level number. I am on level 1. I call it a room, though. This is, I guess, the room. This box. You can't go through the blocks, by the way. Nothing can. This is your shotguns. The shotgun is like a special shot. If you right-click, it shoots a ton of slow-moving bullets off at all directions, except you lose a shotgun. Here, I'll show you a shotgun, like that. And then once you kill all the enemies, you get a chance to go to the upgrade shop. Here it just shows your score and money, tells you what room you just defeated. And it gives you a chance to get upgrades. So you can upgrade the speed that your clip refills. You can get a larger clip. You can get greater max hearts. So, you start off with 3 total hearts, except for $300, you can get up to 4. You can get more shotguns, like what I just shot, for $100, and then you can convert your money to points. So $5 and 10 points, that'll change to 15 points and $0. And you can go on to the next room once you finish upgrading. Every level has more enemies. And I think it increases by 2. So last was 1. This is 3. Another thing is that if 2 enemies hit each other, their healths combine into 1 new enemy. So this enemy is going to have double the health, except there's only 1. So that's why it's a bit tougher. Let's see. There's also droppings. So when you kill stuff, there's a chance that they're gonna right like that. So when enemies die, they have a chance of dropping something. So this one dropped $1, and that's worth $100 when you touch it. Like that. And then you see I have $130. Here, I'm just gonna get you won't be able. Actually, I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I could have upgraded my clip reload speed, but the problem is that one's kind of hard to see. Oh yeah, this is an ammo dropping. It fills up your clip. Yeah, I'm gonna get a larger clip, so as you can see, it's about that big, except then if you get a larger clip, you can see it's a bit bigger, and yeah. Let's see, there's also, if you lose a heart like that, there's a chance that they'll drop hearts, which fills up your health. Let's see if I can get one of those. Well, yeah, I did sort of smart drops, so hearts will only drop if you're not at full health. And also ammo. Let's see, I think that's, yeah, about it for this game. Oh wow, that's money. Yeah, I think I'll just maybe play another round or two, and then I will, yeah, and then I'll die to just show you what death is. As you can see, I got the heart upgrade, and now I have 4 hearts. Oh, crap. Okay, let's see. I guess while I'm playing, might as well give you some information. If you want to follow along with this tutorial series, you are going to have some knowledge of Java. So, by some knowledge, I mean like you have to know what methods, constructors, objects, classes are. You're not going to have to be an expert, like you don't even have to know how to make a window or anything. If you don't have any knowledge of Java, like if don't even know what Java is, I would highly recommend you learn it. I guess you don't have to, you can still follow along, but it'll really help you for this tutorial series, because I'm going to be assuming that you have some knowledge of Java. So if you are completely starting out, I would recommend that you go over to the New Boston. They have some really good tutorials on Java. In fact, that's actually one of the ways I learned. So I can highly recommend those tutorials. They are video tutorials, so... Oh boy, here. I guess I'll die now. So yeah, when you die, it just says you lose and gives you your score, and then you go back to the menu. So like I was saying, if you do not know much about Java, please just go to the New Boston or get some book or some other place, because it's going to be really hard not knowing what Java is or how to like program, because like I said, I will be starting off sort of advanced. Okay, let's see. Another point I'd like to make is that, like, if I go into the game, as you can see, there's, like, artwork to it. So there's, like, the blocks, there's the UFO, enemies. I'm not going to be showing you how to make artwork, because I'm not very good at it. And I guess this is a game tutorial, not an art tutorial. I might just give you an example of how to, like, save it so that transparency and stuff works, but... yeah, I won't be doing any like artwork tutorials. So, I think that's about it for this tutorial. Yeah, I guess I will see you next time, and we will get started on actually programming this thing. So, see you next time, and take care. Bye.